Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel for yet another product reveal. I'm super excited to share these little guys. This stamp set is called Gnome for Christmas. It is a 4x6 stamp set and it has 3 main images of quite possibly the cutest gnomes ever. And it also comes with 7 sentiment stamps that go along with it. The little gnome couple measures about 2 3/4 by 2 1/4. The gnome with the joy banner measures 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. And the little gnome with the jingle bell hat measures about 2 by 2 1/4 inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. The first one, I used the gnomes as well as the new Slimline Scenic window die. I thought that they would be really cute just sitting right there on the front of that with the window behind them with snow falling. And the second card I used the little jingle bell guy, and I used the new Cosmic Swirl stamp as well as the present dies from the new Bookmark and Tag Die Set. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information, all of the products will be linked down in the description below. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join us in our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.